Hey, we're back with Break No More for immediate action. Immediate action for breaking no more. So now it's the value lens reframe. What's the process of reframing? It's changing the context in which you see something. You change the frame. It's like, oh, this is annoying, to, oh, this is an opportunity. So this is what we are doing, but with the value. This is an opportunity. Oh, this guy's a line. This is an alignment with my value. So from fuck, I don't like that, to oh, hey, this is aligned with my value. This is way better, right? So the thing is that you take, so the exercise is that you take a draining task, you think of it, then you identify a core value that it serves, for instance, stability or contribution or love or knowledge or transparency or humanity, self-preservation, or whatever. And you say aloud, just to acknowledge the thing. It might sound stupid, but say it aloud. It helps to acknowledge the thing and to engage with the task, at least subconsciously and in action in a different manner. You say, I am doing the task that you're dreading right now, to honor my value of, and then you said the value. Or you can change the sentence, like find another one that fits you best, because it's like, but it's good as well to reward yourself on the notion of honor. So to honor my value of, because in the end you assimilate it as honoring yourself, and then it develops gain respect subconsciously. So it's good to still use this sentence. You can do that every time you feel that procrastination is kicking in, or that you want to divert yourself to do something else. You're like, oh no, actually I'm doing this because I know this value. And it's like, oh yeah, I want to do this because of this value, because of this. And then like, you don't need to say value in the end of the day, because of love. No, I want it for love. I want to do this for love, so I'm doing it, And then it's like, okay, I want love. I'm doing this for love. Up, so I do it, right? Yeah, this helps you to bring yourself from an expression, a feeling of resistance about the task, to a feeling of purpose, which is a totally different feeling and a better feeling to go through a task. Much love.